These are the Module 9 notes, probability rules. This is page 4. So we are going to talk now about the addition rule again. Okay, it's the same rule we used up here for the probability of A or B occurring, but I want to look at this two different ways. So we have the deck here of 25 cars. We've got penguins, sea turtles, bumblebees, elephants, and doggies. If we want to choose one car at random, we want the probability that we get a 3 or a 5. So let's take a look at where those are. Here are all of my 3s. So the probability of a 3 is 5 out of 25. Here are all of my 5s. So that probability of 5 is also 5 out of 25. And we can just count probability 3 or 5. I have got 10 shaded in there out of our 25. That is the same as if we've got the probability of 3s plus the probability of 5s. 5 over 25 plus 5 over 25 and 10 over 25. B asks us to choose one card at random. Same thing. We want the probability of a dog or a bumblebee. So here are the, oops, that's not what I wanted. Here are my 5 dogs. So the probability of a dog, again, is 5 over 25. Probability of a bumblebee are these different 5. So also 5 over 25. Probability of a dog or a bumblebee, we can take a look at what is shaded there. 10 over 25. C is a little different. My spacing's also way off, so I apologize. Probability of a 3 or a dog. So let's see if we can color code here. Our dogs are in yellow. Our 3s are this fabulous blue. And notice I've got the same probabilities. Probability of a 3 is still 5 over 25. The probability of a dog, also 5 over 25. But here now, we want to take a look at this one circle. This 3 of dogs is counted twice. It's counted in the yellow with the probability of the dog. It's also counted in the blue with the probability of getting a 3. I don't want it counted twice. I only want it counted once. So we are going to need to subtract that out. So we're going to take our probability of 3 plus the probability of dog, and then we're going to subtract out the probability that it's 3 and a dog. I get 5 over 25 plus 5 over 25. In that overlap, we have 1 over 25, and we end up with a probability of 9 over 25. We're going to do the same thing with D. We have the probability of 3 or our bumblebee. Our bumblebee was our orange. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so again, we have got this overlap right here. So we're going to go with the probability of a 3 plus the probability of a bumblebee minus the probability that is the 3 of bumblebee. Again, we get 5 over 25 plus 5 over 25 minus the 1 card we have that is the 3 of bumblebee, and we get 9 over 25.